We had 2 hurricanes that came through in the last 4 years that damaged that roof. We needed to go with something that was more durable and up to code, as well as something that was aesthetically pleasing. So we chose Arrowline Slate Roofs. It's made of steel. It looks just like slate.
They actually found the product before they found us, and then discovered that we were the recommended installer for the EDCO system.
We wanted a really reliable roof to take our minds off of the worry.
We're going to recommend EDCO because it's got the best wind rating. An EDCO roof is designed for 160 mile an hour wind, just straight out of the box. And from aesthetics, really can't beat it. One thing I love about EDCO, every component, every feature is well thought out and has a very distinct purpose.
There's just every single thing that you can get thrown at something comes in a hurricane. The EDCO is the true 4-way interlocking roof, which is so big for wind resistance.
So there's nowhere for wind or water to get underneath the shingle.
The warranty with EDCO is just unsurpassed by anybody else.
With Hurricane Milton, this roof didn't bat an eye.
The storm came right over our house.
People were telling us to evacuate and stuff, but we felt really safe in our home.
We came out here in the morning, roof across the street wound up in our yard, but our roof was solid. We had no water in the house. We had no leaks anywhere.
There's really no comparison to the engineering behind EDCO, and our experience as EDCO, it keeps it from penetrating the home. It's an actual fortress for your home.